As you are watching this video, I am very sure you are a new mom and you have a lovely naughty little one at your home. Tell me, how's your experience of parenthood in these initial days? Isn't it exciting? Well, at least the most of it. I know all the thrill and excitement of parenting a newborn fades away quickly as we think about changing the baby's diaper. You have already learned that babies pee and poop a lot, and changing them for infinity times is one of the most tiring and annoying part of early days of parenting. Well, while diapers are an easy option from parents' convenience point of view, but they come with lot of disadvantages as well. Not only they are very expensive in long run and not environment friendly, but also produce variety of health hazards to the baby, from most common diaper rash to most serious urinary tract infections. Plus, this is going to hinder your baby's toilet training. The best alternative to the diapers are reusable cotton cloth nappies, which is very much health friendly to the baby. But they come with their own problems. The most difficult one being the cleaning and managing them on day-to-day basis. Well, no good things in life comes without some extra effort. In fact, managing and using the cloth nappies are no tedious task once you know the right technique. And you are exactly in the right place. Welcome to Mama School. Today I am going to share with you how to manage these reusable cotton cloth nappies on day-to-day basis.
This is how a reusable cloth nappy set look like. Well, there are varieties of products available in market, but I found this one the most effective. The outer one is a ready-made cloth nappy, but this alone is not going to be enough for the purpose. So, this needs to be thick enough. So, the next is a thick cotton liner readily available in market. This is a cloth liner again from Baby Shop, and the innermost one is a softest linen liner that I made from old used Indian sari, which is the best piece of cloth for the sensitive skin of the newborn and infants. Today I am going to show you how to reuse these items and make them a very effective nappy set in 3 easy steps. Let's start with the first step, that is the laundry. This is the entire 24 hours collection of soiled used nappy pieces. They are all going into my washing machine along with other baby's daily wear items. So in the baby's laundry wash, I use baby laundry detergent liquid and the antiseptic liquid. In India, we find Dettol. This is popularly used antiseptic liquid. This is the 3 detergent compartments of washing machine. In the middle compartment, we will give the Dettol for antiseptic purpose, and baby's laundry detergent into the left compartment. In the right compartment, you can use pre-wash if you feel so. Now, all the nappy pieces are going in one by one into the machine. I always prefer to do laundry of the baby's clothes separately without mixing them with adult's clothes, because baby's clothes and nappies may be soiled and they need special laundry treatment for proper germ cleaning. It is always better to use baby laundry detergent liquid, as adult laundry detergents contain very strong chemicals which are harsh for baby's delicate skin and fabrics. If you are not using washing machine and using hand wash method, there will be a totally separate technique for hand washing. Now, let's start the machine, and you have to select the baby wear option in the washing mode. In your machine, the option or mode could be totally different. You select the appropriate option. See, it is selected at 60 degrees centigrade because I said in baby's laundry special technique is required. It has to be at least set at 60 degrees centigrade or higher, so the clothes are washed with very hot water. so that most of the germs can be killed. If you are using hand wash technique, then you have to soak all the cloths in very hot water along with antiseptic liquid and soak it for at least 1 hour before washing them. So the washing cycle is on and I have to wait for at least 2 hours for the baby's clothes to be totally washed. Please do not compromise with time and do not select the express or fast washing mode because it will be compromised with baby's health. Second step is the drying. I dry all the baby's nappies on the stand in proper sunlight. If you do not have sufficient sunlight, you can use a electric dryer. Now the last step is pressing and folding. After totally sun drying, I dry all the layers with the electric press to ensure that no fungi or any other germ can be left on the baby's most intimate clothes. This is all because of the safety of the baby. I already said cloth nappies are little difficult to handle, so you have to take little bit of pain because you need to do all these things. It is optional to press because if you feel that your clothes are properly dried in sun, you do not need to iron. But I prefer to do this, so you have to iron or fold. In case you do not use iron, you just fold the cloths. This is the cloth liner. I have pressed the cloth liners one by one, and after the pressing is done, it is how I fold them one after another. After the cloth liner, I am finally pressing the linen liners. I have been a fan of these Indian sari linen liners. Previously, I was planning that I shall use it only for the first few months for the baby's very sensitive skin, but when I found this is very skin friendly and so comforting for my baby, that now my baby is 1.5 years old, but I am still using these soft linen liners as the most intimate layer for the nappy. This is how you have to make this set. First the thick liner, then the middle liner and then the linen liner. And now one set is completely done. And the second one, the thick liner, the middle cloth liner and the linen liner. In case of a newborn, one nappy should be good enough for maybe 1 hour because your baby will pee a lot and at growing age it will last a little longer. Now this is how you have to put this around the waist of the baby. Just buckle it and tie the knots, and that's it. This should be good enough for the baby's nappy purpose. If your baby is bigger one like mine, you can finally use a top up of a waterproof outer nappy pant so that his or her outer garments will not be wet. So, depending on the amount of pee and poop, you need to change your baby's nappy from time to time. Good luck for your nappy journey.